Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX and flow PC cases. So friend, the MS31 mid tower and MS21 mini tower cases available in black or white, and these cases are engineered to optimize airflow while minimizing noise level, and this is achieving through the integration of a mesh front panel with precision cutting akin to marble and the inclusion of pre-installed 120 RGB PWM fans. And friend, these keys can accommodate up to 11 fans or a 420 AIOCP cooler at the front. The MS21 mini tower case can house up to 8 fans or a 360 AIOCP cooler in the front section. Additionally, both cases are equipped with two magnetic dust filter on the top and front panel, enhancing component protection, extending their lifespan. And friend, it features two USB 3.0 port and one USB 3.2 Type-C port. The USB 3.2 Type-C port supported a transfer rate of up to 10 Gbps, facilitating swifter file transfer and data backups. And the packages for these cases include an adjustable GPU holder to safeguard even the heaviest next generation graphics card, and a magnetic side opening panel streamlines access to the PCs, interior tuning, maintenance, and reusable PCIe expansion slot offer increased flexibility for component upgrades or replacement. And these cases are now readily available through selected retailers and distributors in Europe. And for the most current information regarding their availability, please visit the website. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.